Hello everyone, this is Pooja Devkin from Remax, and today I'm standing in front of my listing that is coming soon in a day or two. It's at 24 Stonehenge Place in Kitchener. It's in the Forest Heights neighborhood of Kitchener. It's a beautiful 4-level back split, almost 2100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 1 bedroom in the basement, finished basement. It's got no homes at the back. It's backing on to green, as well as it has got a pool. So I'm going to give you a peek of the pool, but I just wanted you to see the front elevation of the property. It's just on a very quiet street, and you can see the home in the back. So it's going to be priced at $575 and will be holding offers. If you have any questions about the property, feel free to reach out to me at 519-573-3362, and I can give you more details about the home, as well as I'll share the eye guide. The photographer is in, he's just doing his stuff. He's taking the eye guide and the pictures. So hopefully I'll have them soon enough for you, and I'll be sharing it with you all. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Thank you. Talk to you soon. And I want you to look at what this beautiful property has to offer. It's a delight for all of us for this summertime. Here we are. So there is a beautiful 16 by 32 feet in-ground pool. There is no homes in the rear side of the property, so it's backing on to green space. I don't know how much you can see, but it's beautiful. It's got a couple of covered decks. It's a nice oasis feel over here in this property. Here, I just love it. Look at that. It's really nice to not have neighbors overlooking, and a pond is always a bonus. So just check it out. This is beautiful, isn't it? It started raining, so I had to hop in. But anyway, I gave you a tour of the front as well as the back, and stay tuned for the pictures of the inside of the property. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous home. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, this is Pooja Devkin from Remax, and my number is 519-573-3362. Thank you. Take care.